Alrighty, hello everybody, ItsMCB here and welcome to an interesting development video. So I just want to show off some of the progress with the new Galaxies plugin I'm working on, which is going to be a new system for Libre Galaxy. Pretty much the current system isn't the best. There's a lot of limitations with it. It's using WorldGuard. And in my new implementation, there is no WorldGuard. And that allows me to do a lot more fun things and fix issues I can't fix with the current version, which I'm very excited about. Problem being, though, is I have to recreate this whole new system. So that's kind of a pretty big undertaking, but it is all right. And I'm going to show you what I've done so far. So a lot of this, just so you know, is not finished. Messages you see currently are not going to be the final ones. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so currently it is /p. That's the current command for planet. You'll see it referred to as planet or property. It's always going to be referred to as a planet. Don't mind it being called property. So here we go. So the p command brings you to this. It is a menu because I don't have any planets. Currently it does not check for any planets, but I'll make it so it does. So when you click the head, it will create a planet for you. It just takes a second. In this case, it is actually an entire world. The way I'm designing the system is so that each planet is actually a world, and within those planets can be kind of subplanets. You can think of them as subregions. So those subregions will kind of be like the current planet system. Okay, so here we go. So we can do /p-info, and I'll show you this is an unnamed planet. Time is not locked, weather's not locked. Here is the UUID of the planet, and here are the owners, which is just me at this point. All right, so let's go planet name, and we're going to call it Epic Planet, because we know this is a very epic planet. As you can see, it is using the void generator. I'm going to have it be customized in the future, so you can use different generators. So for example, if you wanted a vanilla world, you could actually go and do a vanilla world. Then also I might add some other custom presets, but we'll see what I'll do, but we'll see. But I have a lot of ideas for what I can do for this initial world. Okay, cool. So do /p-info, you can see it's now Epic Planet. Let's go and do p-time. This is cool. If you do p-time, it will let you change the time with the menu. So for example, I want to set the time to midnight. And now you can see the time is night. You can also, if you're one of those people who knows the time by their values, you can go and type in a number and it will change the time that way. So there you go. But I like it being midnight, so we're going to change it back to midnight. Now I also have weather, which is pretty cool. So you can go clear, rain, or thunder. Now these heads are going to be changed. Again, if you have any ideas, or not ideas, but if you have a skin head that you know of that would look good for clear, rain, thunder, and reset, please send them to me. And if they're a player that you know that has a skin that would work well for this, send me their username. Because I'm looking for good heads to use for this. Anyways, it can be clear, it can be rain, and it can be thunder. So let's go thunder. I'm not actually sure how loud this is going to be for the recording, so let me turn that down. Yep, so you can see it's raining now. Okay, p-info, so you can see all these properties are currently set. So let's go and have my other account join. You can see player name join because currently placeholder API is broken. I'm going to TP here, ItsMCB. Now, ItsMCB is not a planet owner. So I can do things like p-info, like what's the info of the planet, and also nothing is protected. So I have not added any protections into this yet. So ItsMCB can go here and grief the planet. But I can't rename it or anything. So let's go name Epic. Hey, you're not the owner. You can't change this. Okay, let's try doing time. Nope. Let's do weather. Nope. So I, as an outsider, as a non-owner, cannot change the values of the planet, but I can grief, which will be changed. I need to finish more stuff. So okay, great. Now we see that works all nice. The final command to show is pdelete. Pdelete really just allows you to delete the whole world. As you can see, it asks you like, hey, do you actually want to delete it? Because some people might just be like, oh, pdelete, I wonder what that does, and type it in. Because I know people like that. So yeah, let's make sure they actually have to type in confirm, and you can see it does not do a tab complete. I've done it this way so they can't just be like pdelete tab complete confirm. Oh, what's this do? You know, people need to intentionally read the message and type confirm. Okay, great. And it is gone. I'm going to show that again just to show you. I wanted to show you how the files are actually deleted too. So here we go. Making a new planet takes a minute, and here are the files. So you can see right here, this is the current file for the world. This is the data in it. Again, not like great. I need to do more with it. But that is the current configuration for the world. Then here is the actual world file. When I do pdelete confirm, you can see these files go away. So there you go. This is my little demo for the current state of the in development planet system, or galaxy system, whatever you want to call it. I call it Galaxies. But yeah, so hopefully you're satisfied with the progress thus far. I know it's been kind of a hot minute since I've done an update, and I've been talking about this new system for a while. I haven't really showed off too much progress with it, but definitely things are moving along pretty good. A lot of the problem initially was hesitation in how I wanted to do the system. I've kind of rethought how I've wanted to do it like at least 10 times. So with this iteration, I think I really have it nailed down to support everything I want in the most sane way possible. So I'm very happy about this, and hopefully you are happy to see that indeed the next generation system is, you know, decently far along in progress. I was having quite a few issues actually about what you saw like serialization, which is basically making it so these world settings will go into a configuration file and then I can pull them back out. Though that was a bit of an issue, but yep, it's all good now. So yep, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everybody.